We run a planet for 4 billion years on carbon dioxide. Why? Because we recycle it. And nature recycles the carbon dioxide using photosynthesis. We can recycle it using other processes. If you just look at them as carbon units, instead of looking at them as waste, you can change those and you can turn them into something which is usable. That then displaces fossil fuel. So we don't have to take it out of the ground anymore. We can just use this waste and we can put that into the process instead. And we can also change carbon. We don't have to leave it as it is. We can turn it into something which is even more valuable. And all these things basically are part of a circular process, a circular economy. People look at the steel industry and they say it's an 8 million tonne per year CO2 problem. But actually, if you turn that CO2 into something, you could actually clean the atmosphere. So if you say, okay, I've got 8 million tonnes, that's my 100% problem. If you take 50% of that input material and get rid of the fossil fuel and turn it into biomass, and then you take 50% of the output CO2 and you turn it into something useful, you've actually hit net zero already, because you took 50% out from the input and 50% out from the output. That's net zero. What I'm really excited about is actually when you take 51% of the fossil fuel of the input out and 51% of the output out, then you're 2% net positive, and you're actually using the steel industry to clean the atmosphere. That's how nature would look at this problem. It actually is a solution to its own problem itself.